So I'm going to try a little narration to help you understand what I'm doing. I just passed through over California Pass, and now I'm descending towards PoughKeepsie Gulch. And this guy looked like he was maybe having a hard time coming up that first section, and it looked like he was wanting to get a head start. It's kind of hard to see. Now I'm actually on Poughkeepsie Gulch now. I've started haven't really gotten into the rough spot, but this is a pretty good little pitch here. It's really hard to tell from video what kind of angles you're riding at. A lot of the road looks flat and relatively not not in bad shape at all. But if you can hear, you can't hear the engine running right now. I'm just rolling down the hill, kind of sliding down the hill, because I would say it's 40 degrees, 45 degrees. It's ridiculously sharp incline, and these loose little baseballs that I'm riding on are not helping the situation. But anyway, it gets worse before it gets better. But then it evens out down here, and I'll have something to say coming up. A little live reporting. Poughkeepsie Gulch, and it's reminding me a lot of Tin Cup Pass, except the rocks are smaller and they're loose. They're all loose. Tin Cup looks like this in most parts, except it's got that big rock right there every 2 feet, 3 feet, and it's wider and longer and just nasty. The only thing nasty about this really is the incline. You can kind of see the incline I'm on here, and the loose rocks, and they're big enough to give you problems. Here was a nice little surprise. After struggling down that rocky, rugged part, came to this. It was almost a sheer vertical cliff. It's not quite vertical, but you don't have a lot of room for error here. You wind up about 150 feet down and broken into many pieces. But this was quite spectacular, reminding me of a piece of Cinnamon Pass, except not near as wide as Cinnamon Pass. But once you cleared this section, you descended a few 100 feet below this, and then it dumps you right out into the traffic jam that's on 550 into Ouray. It's probably, I don't know, 3-4 miles from Ouray. Dumps you right out on the $1 million highway. Pretty awesome, and they're still fixing it. So, but that little section's coming up shortly after I stop gawking here. It is spectacular, and it's hard to describe. You're only getting a small piece of what I saw. So enjoy.